Okay, here's a video of the Sharp SVG4323A. Right now it's running in high gear. It has kind of this neat window up top so you can see that oil is actually circulating through the gearbox. The chiller does work and it does turn on and cool the oil temp properly. What it's going to do is we'll have it zero return, do a tool change, go into low gear, run the spindle in low gear, do a tool change, and then run the spindle in high gear again. So we'll go ahead and do that. That's zero return, running the spindle now, still in high gear. It's going to stop, do a tool change. And this is a gear change, and it's going to run the spindle in low gear, so the high torque setting. Do another tool change, and then change back to high gear, and run the spindle at 5,000 RPMs. Previously it was at 8, which is max RPMs on this. I'll do a walk around on the machine. Chip conveyor is currently running. Oil skimmer. The chiller is currently running. It just got done chilling. You might have heard it kick off. This machine does require you to run a 5-minute spindle warm-up program at the very minimum. I did leave the electrical cabinet open so you can see that there's nothing funky going on there. Everything is basically as it should be. And we'll continue to walk around here. We did put new glass in the machine. The old glass was a little hazy, so it does have new glass here on the doors, which is nice. And yeah, overall it's a good running machine from a good customer of ours. The only thing that's not on right now is the mist collector. It does work though. So that is a review of the little Sharp mill.